Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2015 Audi RS4 Avant Special Edition we have new in stock. This Audi RS4 has an enormous amount of options from the factory as standard, also a few optional features added on. I'm just going to run you through some of the features you get. To begin with the exterior, you've got the Panther Black Crystal Pearl Effects paint, which is an optional feature. Also the 20-inch 5-arm Rotor design alloy wheels. You've got the sports suspension with the dynamic ride control as well. The matte aluminium styling package, which gets you some of the matte silver trim around the exterior, such as the front splitter, grille surround, the roof rails and the mirror caps, as well as the diffuser surround at the rear. You can see the sports exhaust at the back with the oval shaped dual exhaust pipes in matte black. You've also got privacy glass as an added inclusion on the exterior, LED tail lights and LED daytime running lights with bi-xenon headlights. You can also see the radar at the front for your adaptive cruise control. You've got a dual tone leather interior with the optional RS4 bucket seats. This particular RS4 has the Audi exclusive quilted Valcona leather seating with the diamond design. You can see the RS4 badging on the back and the wing back shoulder pieces. You've got lumbar support on the side of the driver and the passenger seat. Your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which continues the contrast dual tone interior design. You've got your adaptive cruise control functions accessible on the left hand side. You also have Audi Active Lane Assist as another added optional feature. This RS4 has the dynamic steering as an optional feature as well, and also the top speed increased to 174 miles per hour. On the door cards you can see the speakers for your Bang & Olufsen surround sound system. On the centre console you've got some of your optional piano black inlay trims. You've got your drive selector and some of your infotainment controls. You've got your climate control functions and your optional heated front seat controls as well. And on the centre screen you've got access to some of your infotainment features as well as your reversing camera. Lastly, this RS4 has the panoramic glass sunroof above, and you've also got the carbon fibre engine design in the front as another added inclusion. If you would like any more information, would like to book a viewing or a test drive on this 2015 Audi RS4 Special Edition, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.